It's testing us.
So, wala sa kabalo kung kanabang tawanan is by church siya nga niabot or kanang si Lord ang nagpadala sa ilaha. Sorry for the interruption.
Sister, I will give you. People came and asked if we would go and pray for a family.
So, ang katong nga tao ni ato daw sa iyaha kung magkaampo ba sila ng pamilya.
They had a situation which was very, very critical.
Na sila ang sitwasyon nga grabe gid ka critical. Lisod na jud kayo.
When we went there,
Na sa ni ato siya,
the father of the family had one request.
ang usa ka padre pamilya na siya usa ka request.
The mother had one request.
Ang mama po na usa ka request.
The sister had one request.
Ang iya pong magsong babae na request.
And the sister who was actually needing the help of the Lord